So you might be in a situation, or for some reason, iOS 26.3.1, the update is actually missing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I recommend doing is to make sure you are connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection or some sort of data connection. This is usually going to be one of the main things I recommend doing. So just make sure you're connected to some sort of internet connection from that side, and that is basically the first thing I recommend doing. Now, if that doesn't seem to be fixing the problem, the next thing you might want to try doing is to go through and just see if you can restart the update. So hop out of that general settings tab, go back into software update, and then try seeing if you can go through and basically re-log into it or get the update pop up again. A lot of the times you might just have to try something like that. That might end up fixing the problem for you too. If that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing after that is to kind of go through and see if you can restart your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your phone, slide it power off, give it a few seconds, let it power back on. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. If that doesn't end up fixing it, you might have to clear out some storage on your iPhone. So go inside of your general settings tab here, scroll down to iPhone storage, and what you're going to want to do here is to try seeing if you can basically clear out some storage on your iPhone and to get that update to back up, pop up back again. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.